Hi, I'm Brandt Snedeker. Welcome to the Bridgestone R&D Test Center. Very few people get to take a look inside of what happens in this building. But today you're my guest, and we're going to get to go inside, take a look and see how they make these great golf balls and golf clubs here at Bridgestone. All right, we got Josh and Andrew here. They're both Bridgestone engineers, and they're in charge of
flight analysis and aerodynamic technology.
And sorry, just give me a second. I always get kind of emotional when we start talking about aerodynamics and engineering.
It's okay, Brandt. It's okay.
We got an incubator here. He's going to explain exactly what this thing does.
Basically, this is an incubator, like Brandt said. We want to keep all the balls at a constant temperature. That way we get consistent testing throughout the test.
All right, Josh, why don't you just a little bit about this robot?
This is our version of the Iron Byron. It's the ball the same way every time so that we can differentiate between the golf balls hit.
All right, awesome. Am I going to be able to start this thing up?
Go right ahead.
All right, awesome. Let's see what this thing does. Press the buzzer for safety. You know, it's just so pretty, man. I just wish I could hit it like that, you know?
It's going to be all right.
I'm going to work on it. Now that we've done testing with the robot, let's actually get out here on the range and do some testing with some real people, hitting real golf shots, trying to get real numbers to get the right ball in their hands. How are you?
Good.
I'm Steven with Bridgestone Golf. How are you?
Patrick, nice to meet you.
Brandt Snedeker.
My pleasure.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out today. We're going to see if we can help you out and get you into a new golf ball, hopefully hit it longer and straighter.
Excellent. That'd be great.
All right.
All right, Patrick, why don't you come over here? We'll tee up a couple balls that you currently play with. What ball by chance is that?
Titleist, Pro V1.
Okay, perfect. What we'll do is we'll hit a series of shots with that golf ball with your driver.
All right.
Take a look at its ball speed, its launch angle, its spin rate, and then the overall performance of the golf ball. And then from there, maybe recommend a golf ball that's better suited for your game.
Excellent.
All right, so let's get started.
All right.
When we tee the ball up, let's just take the Pro V1 side stamp and tee it vertical. There we go.
Seemed like a good one there.
How was that?
You tell us.
Felt pretty good.
Pretty good. All right.
The good thing about that, Patrick, is we're actually going to be able to tell you exactly what the golf ball's doing on the machine. So let's hit a couple more so we have an average, and then we'll look at the group shots.
Excellent.
Now, Patrick, this is exactly what we go through on tour. Literally, when we come in, when we're testing new drivers or new golf balls, we go through the same process of hitting 4 or 5 drivers, getting a reading, and kind of taking the best average and trying to find out what ball or driver is best for us.
Just close up.
This new B330 RX golf ball is actually designed just for you. Your club head speed, it's designed for guys who swing between 85 and 105 miles an hour that desire a tour performance but just don't have the club head speed of Brandt over here that can compress the golf ball.
Sure.
So with a more efficient core, you can increase your ball speed for longer distances off the tee, but you can actually still have the same performance around the green because it is a 3-piece urethane cover golf ball.
All right.
All right, so let's try this one.
Excellent. Let's go. Felt good too.
Yeah, look good.
All right, Patrick, come on over. We can take a look at how the B330 RX performed for you.
Great.
Right off the bat, the number one thing we did was we reduced your side spin by about 800 RPMs. We reduced your backspin by about 600 RPMs, and then we picked up 9 total yards.
Wow.
And so we're able to do that by having a softer core in the B330 RX. By having a softer core, we can compress the golf ball more, get more speed as the ball leaves the face, and less spin, both backspin and side spin.
Wow.
But still give you nice, solid greenside performance when you're hitting wet shots.
It felt real solid, nice and soft off the tee though. It felt like I had total control of it. That's good. 9 more yards. That's what I need.
There you go.
Excellent.
Well, thanks for coming out, Patrick. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Brandt, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, very nice to meet you too. All right, that's it, guys. You saw the behind-the-scenes tour of the Bridgestone Ball Testing Center. Very few people get to see it, so consider yourself privileged. Got to meet a few of the guys, got to hang out with me for a little bit, and hopefully you learned a lot about the Bridgestone B330. So go out and try some out for yourself. Hopefully it'll help your game, and don't forget to boom it. All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. You all the best. We'll see you next year, all right? It's just so tough saying goodbye, you know? Just so tough.